Hello everybody, my name is Margot Goleš-Mačešić and you're watching sheccoTV News. This is a quick roundup of the most important natural refrigerant updates from around the world. Welcome to our Ammonia special. In this week's episode, we bring you the news that 13 new ammonia CO2 cascade systems have been installed in Indonesia, and we delve into the regulatory barriers to ammonia in France. So let's get the show started. A few weeks ago at French HVAC&R trade group AFC East conference in Paris, stringent French regulations on ammonia remained a hot topic for the industry in the European country. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. What is the regulation on ammonia and who has to follow it? Well, if you own a business in France that works with ammonia-based system with a charge greater than 50 kilograms per refrigeration unit, you are subjected to mandatory reporting and inspections by approved organizations. And customers intending to equip their site with a refrigeration system whose total charge is greater than or equal to 1.5 tons of ammonia require authorization from the local body before they can do so. So, as pointed out by Yvon Lupicot and Eric Martin from Johnson Controls, ammonia has a lot of hoops to jump through in France, a problem other European countries just don't have. So, does this make sense? Well, as the duo points out, ammonia-based equipment has a low leakage rate of just 2%. They also said at the AFCE event that it has low cost and low rates of accidents. So hopefully the regulation will change. We'll keep you posted. Moving on to Indonesia, exciting news. Japanese system manufacturer Maekawa has provided 13 ammonia CO2 cascade refrigeration systems in Indonesia. As Suhaimi Sirad, director of PT Maekawa Indonesia, says in an interview with Shecco, people installing these systems, 1, want to reduce the charge of ammonia, and 2, they want to demonstrate their company's environmental awareness.
For this unit, we already sold 2 units to the market, and we have the bigger size for the 45 kilowatt motor, 60 kilowatt motor. We already sold 11 units in Indonesia since 2014. The benefit for this equipment is very compact and then easy to install at site. And for the future equipment, we monitor when we're using this equipment. We can monitor online from Japan, from our main office. This good service to our customer in Indonesia.
Well, that's the end of our show. If you want to find out more about these news items, you can find the links to the articles in the description of this video. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next week for sheccoTV News updates. Goodbye.